What can be said about the OXO Good Grips Pro Hard Anodized Nonstick 10-inch frying pan skillet? This pan is dishwasher safe, oven safe, stainless steel handle, and it comes in black. It's ceramic, non-stick, PFAO-free, dishwasher safe. It delivers excellent heat conduction and scratch resistance. Oven safe up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius. Dishwasher safe, rolled edges for drip-free pouring, compatible with most stove tops except induction. With this pan, I don't have to add butter to keep my pancakes from sticking. I just pour the mix right in, it heats up evenly, and with an easy flip, the pancake flips over to have a perfect even brown side that's cooked. And when it's done, there's still no sticking. The pancake is easily removed and nothing is left stuck to the pan. So easy cooking, and most important, easy cleaning, making life a lot more easier in the kitchen.